I'm Robert Estrin. You're watching livingpianos.com. Did you know it's not important how much you practice? It's not important how much you memorize. It's not important how much you work on scales and arpeggios. Likewise, it's not that important how much you exercise. None of these things are important. What is important is how often you practice, how often you memorize, how often you work on scales and arpeggios. And indeed, in a recent study, they found that the most important component for health is not how intensely you exercise, it's how often you exercise. And so it is with your piano practice. There are some really good reasons for this. And I've often said it's the things you do every day that make the difference in your life. So you want to get to these important things every day. And people who make exercise, the blue zones around the world where people live to 100 on a much more regular basis and beyond, these are areas where part of life is just, walking up and down hills, the mountain areas of Sardinia, Italy, where it's just a part of your life, where you don't have to make appointments to go to the gym 3 times a week, but just going out and getting your food, you're going to be getting exercise. Make sure your piano's in a place where you're going to pass by it, and you shouldn't have to have a long ritual to get it going. It's why, of course, it's good to close your piano for the health of the instrument, at least at night, but make it so that you can get to it easily, your music is there, and make it a part of your regular routine. Make memorization part of your regular day, or at least learning new music, whether you're memorizing or not. Always expanding your repertoire. Work on technique. Review pieces. How often you practice is much more important than how much you practice. Cramming doesn't work that great for a lot of aspects of piano practice, but the continuity of study is vitally important. To build upon what you do each day, you will grow enormously. We like to play ping pong. Every night we go there and, downstairs and hit that. And I like to walk to the lake and around and get exercise on a regular basis. And the piano practice. This is the lesson for today. So rethink your whole strategy of how you practice and how you live your life. The things that are important to you, you must prioritize by doing them on a very regular basis. And you will be rewarded. It will make far greater benefit to you than just the sheer amount of something that you do. Take that to heart with your piano practice. Let me know how it works for you. Again, Robert Estrin here at livingpianos.com, your online piano resource.